Okay, I'm in the airplane with many different people. There's the pilot. Hey, drive, pilot. Okay, woo, we're up in the air. See, we're up in the air. Wow, we're really up high. Wow, look at how high we are. Woo, this is so fun. And we got off our spot. Thank you. Plane, please get off. Plane 114, please get off. Okay, now I'm gonna go on another plane. So there's the plane that I just went on. Some other passengers are getting on it. Beep beep. Oh, here's my plane. I'm gonna sit in the back on this one. I got a ticket for sitting in the back on this one.
No.
No. Oh, that is a mean passenger. Oh, you want to switch seats? Here's my ticket. You want to switch seats? Okay, thank you. Okay, we're gonna switch seats. I guess you like the back seat. Okay, we're up in the air. Wow, look at those clouds. We gotta get some rain. Woo, we're up in the air. Just pressing the buttons so you can get up in the air. And we already are up in the air. Just so we can get higher, right, Allie, the pilot? Beep, beep. Okay, I got off my airplane. Stop. Everybody please get off the airplane. Everybody please get off the airplane. So there the airplane is. Everybody please get off the airplane. Everybody please get off the airplane. Beep, beep. Sit next to me, Ashley. Sit next to me. Okay, I'm behind the pilot now. Got one seat open. Beep, beep. Oh, can I come on? Okay, I have a doggy riding next to me.
I'm right back. Hi, please, right back.
Well, this is our pilot plus airplane make-believe. So, I answered the request about the airplane. Someone said to do a request about it. So, yeah. And also made stop.